Brad Hall here, and today I've got a shoe that came out not too long ago. It's the Yeezy basketball shoe in frozen blue, and it glows in the dark. I'm gonna take you through that shoe. I'm gonna show you how it looks on foot, and then later on, I've got the perfect way to wear them. So stick around, there's a lot to go over. I was really looking forward to this frozen blue pair. The blue on it, it looks very similar to that blue found on that earlier 700 V3. I love that color so much. It's bright, it's peppy. Now there are actually two versions of this shoe. The basketball version, which I have right here. And then also there is a lifestyle version, which I actually picked up too. And that's right here, so you can see very similar looking. I did make a video about the differences between that lifestyle pair and the basketball pair. Check that out if you want to. Now the reason I did get both of these pairs, I think I prefer this basketball version a little bit more. I love the ankle area on this one. It's got a better shape to it. And the materials, they're a bit nicer, but I wasn't sure if the basketball version was gonna have the glow-in-the-dark cage on the upper. With that first colorway, the lifestyle version, it had some reflectiveness on the upper. The basketball version did not have that, so I thought that might be a similar case with this release. I am happy to report that both versions do glow, and it does look very cool. When the lights go out, something special really happens. For styling this shoe in the dark, I would consider pairing it with another glow-in-the-dark item, maybe a hoodie or an accessory. So all in all, it is a very nice looking shoe. It looks great in the daytime, that blue color, like I said, it is a beautiful blue. And then at night, that's when the glow comes out and it gets really exciting. If I were ranking the Quantum colorways right now, I would still put that first colorway up top, but I would give this one that second spot. This model started out on such a high note. A second place finish is not something to be ashamed of. Not at all. Unfortunately, you do need darkness to see that glow, and darkness, that is harder to find during the day, but I do think I came up with a way that you can take advantage of the glow all day long. What you're gonna need to do is create a portable, light-resistant viewing area. You can make that using any material that doesn't let light through. I'm gonna use a 42-gallon heavy-duty trash bag. You wanna make sure that the bottom is open, so I cut a slit into the bottom of the bag. Now you'll need to attach that bag to your waist and roll it up. Then let's say you're out and about in the daytime. All you need to do to show off your shoes is roll down that bag and invite someone to take a look at them underneath the bag. It is a really simple and effective solution for getting the most out of your glow-in-the-dark shoes. So there you have it, glow-in-the-dark shoes all day long. Truly a Shark Tank worthy idea. I hope that helps. I hope you get the most out of your glow-in-the-dark Yeezys. And thanks so much for watching.